SouzDorProekt. SouzDorProekt is a design institute with a 75-year history and one of Russia's leading road design and civil engineering companies. SouzDorProekt's regional activities, from the Urals and Siberia to Yamal and the Far East, Yakutia and Kamchatka, and Pamir and the Caucasus, SouzDorProekt carries out surveying and design projects in the most diverse climatic and geological environments throughout Russia and abroad. A number of complex and important roads have been constructed from SouzDorProekt designs. These include the M1 Belarus, M2 Crimea, M5 Urals, M7 Volga, and M8 Kholmogory federal highways. In addition to highways, mountain roads, roads in the oil-producing regions of the north and Siberia, test grounds and tracks, complex road junctions, international airport access roads, and roadside service facilities, SouzDorProekt has also worked on bridges spanning 500 meters or more in length, or with a main span of over 120 meters, across rivers and shipping channels. Testing ground design. The Institute does not limit itself to ordinary roads. SouzDorProekt's engineers have expertise in designing vehicle testing grounds for the biggest car factories in Russia, including an extensive test track complex for AvtoVAZ. The Institute's specialists have also designed racing tracks and tyre testing grounds. Designing abroad. SouzDorProekt has worked on road infrastructure designs in more than 40 countries. The largest and most complex projects have been developed in Afghanistan, Indonesia, Syria, Laos, Nepal and Yemen. These roads include the Kushka, Herat, Kandahar and the Sheberghan-Maimana routes, Road number 9 in Laos, Cuba's Southern Highway, the Hodeidah-Taiz Road in Yemen, a section of the East-West Highway in Nepal and Prince Road in Guinea, as well as a viaduct over the Euphrates in Syria and bridges over rivers in Nepal and Laos. The total length of roads built to SouzDorProekt's plans exceeds 123,000 kilometers. The length of all large bridges designed by the Institute is more than 120 kilometers. Synergy of survey and design. Engineering surveys undertaken as part of road network development projects are an important element of the construction process. These surveys provide an integral study of the natural and man-made environment of a section of road, and are conducted in order to forecast the impact of the road on the natural environment and to ensure that the living conditions of the local population are preserved. Based on the results of the engineering survey, SouzDorProekt draws up preliminary project documentation and construction project documentation for highways and related structures. Engineering surveys are the basis for projects to expand, reconstruct, redevelop and utilize road structures, and the resulting data is used to update state inventories and databases. This helps to formulate recommendations on the optimal economic, technical, social and environmental decisions for every project. Current projects. At the present time, SouzDorProekt is engaged in 2 projects that are unique in the former Soviet Union, outstanding in both scale and complexity. These projects are the Moscow-St. Petersburg Highway and the Moscow Region Central Ring Road. Moscow-St. Petersburg Highway. The new Moscow-St. Petersburg Highway is set to become a central part of the Northern Europe, Moscow, Kazakhstan, Western China transport corridor. The highway will be a toll road and is being constructed on a public-private partnership basis. It will relieve the strain on the currently congested M10 road that links Moscow and St. Petersburg. Moscow Region Central Ring Road. SouzDorProekt has drawn up plans for the construction of the Moscow Region Central Ring Road. The Central Ring Road will redistribute the flow of traffic between the federal radial roads, creating links between the main traffic corridors. It will be an integral part of the West-East corridor connecting London and Yekaterinburg via Paris, Berlin and Warsaw, and the North-South corridor connecting Helsinki and the south of Russia, as well as the Helsinki-Nizhny Novgorod corridor. The Central Ring Road will be constructed and operated on a public-private partnership basis. M7 Volga Federal Highway, Moscow, Nizhny Novgorod, Kazan, Balashikha, Noginsk bypass. The new highway will ensure the smooth flow of traffic transiting between the Central, Volga and Ural federal districts, reduce the burden on Moscow access roads, facilitate traffic flow on the Moscow outbound routes, and form part of the planned international corridor between Europe and Western China. Reconstruction of the M3 Ukraine Federal Highway. The M3 Ukraine Federal Highway links the capitals of two countries, Russia and Ukraine. State company Russian Highways has entrusted SouzDorProekt with the task of drawing up plans for a project to transform this road into a toll highway. The road stretches from Moscow via Kaluga and Bryansk to the Ukrainian border. Development of the M4 Don Highway. The M4 Don Highway connects Moscow with Russia's southern port of Novorossiysk. It is one of Russia's major traffic arteries. Together with the Moscow-St. Petersburg Highway and the Central Ring Road, currently under construction, this highway will complete the north-south transport corridor. An automatic traffic management system is being developed, which will manage traffic flows on the highway in a prompt and efficient manner. All highway projects developed by SouzDorProekt include comprehensive toll plaza solutions to ensure free-flow tolling and avoid tailbacks. Geographic Information Systems for Traffic Management. The Geographic Information System for Traffic Management was first developed for the M4 Don Highway. It provides access to all necessary technical road data, including junctions and engineering structures, in a user-friendly way. The system uses an advanced 3D road plan to correctly represent multiple lane roads and multi-level junctions. Future prospects. SouzDorProekt is an institute with a long background and unique experience in designing complex engineering projects. It is playing a key role in the long-term investment program to construct a federal highway network stretching up to 20,000 kilometers. SouzDorProekt also offers development solutions for the construction of toll highways. The development of toll highways which attract private investment guarantees high-quality results while reducing the cost to the state. Complex projects for easy roads. SouzDorProekt.